Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. This door bean is mounted on the fresh food compartment door. It's used for storing small objects in the fridge. The main reason why the door bean would need to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the door bean, we need to lift up the front end and then we can pull it out. Alright, so we're going to use the table as a working place. Now we need to remove this clear plastic front piece. I'm going to grab the side and grab the plastic here. Pull the side out and plastic in and up. And now we're going to free this side. And we're going to place it onto the new bin. This is the old door bin next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so that's the new bin, and we're going to use this piece onto the new bin. I'm going to place it here, place it in the corner, and we're going to place the bottom. First, bottom in, and then I'm going to push it. Alright. Now we're ready to install it back into the fridge. So choose the position where you want to put the bin and make sure it's on the same level. Then I tilt this front end up, slide it in, and push it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.